Hi, for the next couple weeks, we are working on the theme around spring. So today's lesson, we are going to talk about rain. So we're going to read the story Rain together. And then in the pack that I sent home, you should have a little rain catcher with some raindrops. So for this activity, along with this stuff, you'll also need some glue, a marker, some cotton balls, and then scissors. Okay. So we're going to start off by reading the book Rain. Let me get close so you guys can see. The day is hot. The sun shines bright. The flowers will wilt. The grass goes limp. Look at the flowers. They are what color? These flowers are pink. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 flowers. Even the birds are still. And then a gray cloud covers the sun. Can you guys find the sun on this page? The sun is right here. The cloud is made of tiny drops of water. The drops grow bigger and bigger. They bump into one another. They grow so heavy that they fall. Look at, these are the raindrops. Rain! Look at, they're jumping in puddles. Rain is wet. The flowers drink. The grass drinks. The birds drink. The world is fresh and clean. Let's count the birds. 1, 2. There are 2 birds playing in the rain. The sun comes out again, bright and hot. It shines and shines and shines until... Where did the puddle go? Into the air. The puddle dried all up. Into the sky. Into that cloud up there. Can you guys find the big white cloud? It's right here. There's the cloud. And then the tiny drops of water gather into clouds again. The drops grow heavier and heavier until rain falls once more. And the whole world smiles. The end. So now we're going to put our art together. So we need to grab our 3 raindrops. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. And then we need, what is this? This is our marker. You can pick any color, but I'm using what color? Can you guys see? This is blue. We're going to use a blue marker to color in the raindrops. So let's color them in. Try to keep in the lines if you can. And remember, when we hold our markers, we try to get the pinch. So pinch at the very bottom and hold it really tight so you can really color nicely. All right. After we colored our raindrops, then we need, can you tell me what this is? These are scissors. We need our scissors to cut out our raindrops. So we hold the paper with one hand and hold the scissors in the other, and we cut them out. Try to stay on the line as best as you can. All right, once you have your 3 raindrops cut out, let's leave them on the table. And now you can grab your little rain cloud. And then we need to find some cotton balls right here. and some, what is this? Find it in your device or tell me with your words. This is glue. We need to take our glue and put it on the white part of the paper plate. Some are yellow on the back, but we need the white part. And you just squish it all over. Now we need to take our cotton balls and then we stick them in the glue on the paper plate. When you stick them on, let's count them. So that's 1 cotton ball, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to put 10 cotton balls on my rain cloud. You can put more or you can put less, depending on what you want. All right. Then at the bottom of these strings, we need to put our raindrops. You can either use your glue or you can use some tape. I'm going to use tape. And then we just stick them at the very bottom of the string. There you go. And it should look like this. Maybe. There we go. A little rain cloud. Because remember, the rain falls when it's heavy. All right, good job, guys.